this is inspired from some childhood story that I've been hearing since I was 5 or 6 years old. And now it's so unbelievable that so many people are here because we're making that movie. It's unreal. The whole feeling is unreal. And Hani and Abhishek have been my guardian angels from the beginning. And studio, the iDreams has, come in with their support, and I'm just so happy because, it's not really necessarily a very conventional film in some ways. And the fact that Vishalji and Gulzar Saab are also here, it just gives me, a lot of moral support. The shoot actually hasn't started yet, so that remains to be seen. But if the workshops were any indication, then I think it will be tough to handle all of them together. But they're a great bunch of people, and it's been super fun actually working with them already because I'm getting a sense of what it'll be like on set. And they have a lot of energy, and I think most of them just all know each other from before and are already friends, which also helps.
मैं मुबारकबाद दे रहा हूँ उनको जिन्होंने ये पहला कदम उठाया है और बड़ी खूबसूरती से और हिम्मत से उठाया है और जोश व खरोश के साथ उठाया। मैं अच्छे मेहमानों को बुलाया, आप सबको मुबारकबाद उनके साथ। और कैमरे के सामने जो कुछ इनसे करवाया जाता था, अब यहाँ इस बार डायरेक्टर बताएंगी कि अब हम आपके साथ क्या सलूक करने वाले हैं। आपने जो कुछ हमारे साथ किया हम सब वही करेंगे, है ना। तो मुबारकबाद फॉर यू, कंगना को मुबारकबाद क्योंकि उनकी पहली पिक्चर है और पहली डायरेक्शन है। तो आई विश हर ऑल द बेस्ट।
No, I'm such a big fan of her, and I think she's the finest actor to have happened to us in our industry. And she has direction in her genes. She is a writer. Her father is such a prolific writer, and I'm so excited to watch your film, Coco. All the best.
I don't know, it's, honestly, I never wanted to be an actor either, and I never thought I wanted to be a director. But it's just that this particular story had fascinated me for so long, and the story had been with me for so long. I didn't think that I would be able to write a script either. But the whole thing just kind of started becoming bigger and bigger in my head. And at some point I just knew that, oh, this is how it's going to be. I'll have to write it, I'll have to direct it. Because I don't think that you can explain the whole thing in your head to somebody else either, the way it is in the film in your head. Of course, now one has to, it's so lovely that I have so many people to share that with. But I think that's why, because I just felt the need. I don't feel the need to ever make another film. But this particular one, I feel like I have to share.
Well, the actress that I do admire, and I've really enjoyed all her performances, is Coco. I think she's a brilliant actress, and I know that she's going to be a brilliant director. I also want to say one thing about her. I've been in this industry for a long time, and I've heard a lot of scripts. She's the only director who has narrated the script to me, and I have closed my eyes and have been able to visualize the entire film as she has narrated it to me. So God bless her. And I know that she's going to make a brilliant film.
For more news and gossips, don't forget to subscribe to Bollywood Helpline.